But I think, given the way you phrased it, the question becomes a little different, because what it seems to me you have to establish is the basis for requiring an exception to the classification. You're not challenging the idea of having boys and girls separate sports. You're saying that you cannot exclude transgender girls from the definition of girls. And that's an entirely different question than the equal protection question.
I don't think we're arguing for an exception. I think we're bringing exactly the same argument in Caban. In Caban, the plaintiff wasn't saying, this is valid for everyone, but I want an exception from it. In Caban, the plaintiff was saying, this is valid for other fathers, but it's not valid as applies to me. So I just think it's an as-applied equal protection claim. I understand the court might decide those claims don't exist, but I don't think it's a claim asking for an exception. It's a claim saying it's as applied to them, it's okay, as applied to me, it's not.
Counsel, how do you get to a Title IX violation? I know exactly how you get to an equal protection violation, okay? When if you accept that the regulation does, by its own terms, permit sex-based separate sports, does permit schools to do this. What in Title IX explicitly or even logically says that you have to give transgender
Thank you. I appreciate
girls the same opportunity? Because the regulation said, it's not just the statute, it's the regulation say, you can create separate sex teams.
No, thank you. I take the point. I think there's always been a tension between the underlying text of Title IX, which protects individuals, not groups, and the regulations, which are authorized by the Javits Amendment and have special leeway to make some group-based measurements. But if you look at the rationale for the regulations, Hugh, when it issued the regulations, said that we think that our group-based method, which otherwise would have been completely impermissible for Title IX, adequately protects the rights of individuals. Because if boys and girls as groups are being given equal sets of overall opportunity, then every individual in the group also has a set of equal opportunity to choose from.
Yeah, I think that